welcome back to the legal video series presented by the Law Office of Joseph Abrams. I'm criminal defense attorney Joseph Abrams, and I answer your most common questions about federal criminal law in easy to understand terms. So let's take a look at today's question. There are two ways a defendant can avoid a statutory minimum sentence. First, the defendant may qualify for what is known as the safety valve. The other possibility is that the defendant decides to cooperate with law enforcement and receives what is known as a substantial assistance departure. So let's take a look at each of these. First, to qualify for the safety valve, all of the following must be true. 1. The defendant has none or only minimal criminal history as determined under the federal sentencing guidelines. 2. The defendant did not use violence or possess a firearm or other dangerous weapon in connection with the offense. 3. The offense did not result in death or serious bodily injury to any person. 4. The defendant did not have an aggravating role in the offense as defined under the federal sentencing guidelines. And finally, 5, the defendant has truthfully provided to the government all the information that they know about the offense. If all of the above are established, the defendant will be safety valve eligible and not subject to any statutory minimum sentence. Now, let's look at the other way a defendant may be relieved from a statutory minimum sentence. And that is through the process of cooperation, where essentially the defendant agrees to provide the government with information about other persons who may have committed crimes. If the defendant does this, and the government is able to use that information to prosecute other persons, the government will move for a reduction in the defendant's sentence, thereby also relieving the defendant from any statutory minimum sentence. I will close by emphasizing that a defendant's decision to cooperate with authorities is a significant decision that could impact the defendant in many ways, and that any defendant considering doing this should first talk with an experienced federal criminal defense attorney. This has been criminal defense attorney Joseph Abrams. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time when I answer another of your questions about federal criminal law.